The price of a single Bitcoin that was worth less than a penny 6 years ago is now worth several $1,000s. But what on earth does that mean? It means that millions of people are willing to exchange thousands of dollars worth of their government issued currency for a math based global digital currency that isn't guaranteed, regulated, or controlled by any central authority. One reason for this is Bitcoin's value as an investment. There are no barriers to entry. Anyone in the world can buy Bitcoins, even without a bank account, credit card, or driver's license. There's no minimum transaction, no bank fees, you don't need a broker, and the market is global and always open. Bitcoin's value rises as both vendors and consumers are adopting Bitcoin more and more every day for use in real world transactions. Daily Bitcoin transactions now number near 300,000. Look at this heat map of the US, which shows the location and concentration of Bitcoin friendly brick and mortar businesses. There are hundreds of thousands more Bitcoin friendly online vendors. War, natural disasters, terrorism, political instability, economic collapse, tsunamis, pirates, you name it. Whenever there's fear and uncertainty, gold prices rise. Bitcoin was born right after the Lehman Brothers collapse that ushered in the 2008 global financial crisis. When smart investors began to realize that Bitcoin was completely disconnected from the global financial system and thus not subject to the political and economic whims of central banks and governments, they began treating it as the new digital gold. The Cyprus economic collapse of 2013, the Chinese yuan collapse of 2015, the vote to split up the European Union in 2016, all of them led to a sharp upward spike in the value of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a deflationary currency. Only a fixed number of Bitcoins will be produced, so each Bitcoin will buy more each year. As we all know, the value of the dollar erodes every year, and the dollar buys less and less. Investors typically buy gold as an inflation hedge, so Bitcoin's deflationary structure also makes it like digital gold. Bitcoin is much more than a bunch of techie nerds and traders caught up in a frenzied speculative bubble. The entire financial world is in agreement that there's huge value in the technology that powers Bitcoin. Known as blockchain, it emerges from the pairing of a special kind of math called cryptography with the combined processing power of millions of computers worldwide. Together, they create a self-stabilizing cash economy that needs no government regulators or central bankers. This quicker, safer, more robust, cheaper, and more reliable technology could be applied to nearly every facet of value transfer, ownership, and transaction. The blockchain revolution is just beginning, so an investment in cryptocurrency is an investment in the transformative value of blockchain, and the big banks are investing heavily. Here's a quote from Goldman Sachs analyst about the transformative potential of blockchain.